Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mixed fruit scrub. First, ensure your skin is clean and ready. Use a gentle cleanser to wash away any makeup or dirt from your face. Then, lightly pat your skin dry, leaving it just a little damp. This helps the scrub spread smoothly. Have your mixed fruit scrub in a small bowl ready nearby for convenience. Now, let's apply the scrub. Scoop out about 1 teaspoon of the mixed fruit scrub into your hand. Gently spread it over your face and neck, using light, upward circular motions. Remember to be very gentle, as harsh scrubbing can irritate your skin. Always steer clear of the sensitive skin around your eyes and any areas with cuts or blemishes.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Continue to massage the scrub onto your skin for about 1 to 2 minutes. Pay extra attention to areas that feel a bit rough or dull, like your T-zone. After a good massage, rinse your face completely with lukewarm water. Make sure every bit of the scrub is washed away. Leaving any residue can potentially block your pores, so be thorough. After rinsing, gently pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid rubbing, as your skin might be a little sensitive after exfoliation. Next, apply a hydrating toner to help restore your skin's natural pH balance. Finish by applying a good moisturizer. This step is crucial for locking in moisture and keeping your skin feeling soft and supple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.